Here's how to fix a frozen or stuck iPhone. Now, if you're trying to manage with your iPhone to turn it on, turn it off, open apps, close apps, whatever you may want to do, but it's stuck. It's just not responding to your finger. You keep swiping, tapping, all that stuff, and it is frozen. There's an easy solution, but the first thing that I recommend doing is a lot of times your iPhone screen is sensitive to your finger touch, and any kind of screen protector on your iPhone might prevent it from registering any kind of touch. So if you have a really dirty screen protector on there, you might want to just get a cloth, clean it, or even take that screen protector off completely, and that might help if it is a touch issue and it's not actually frozen. But if it is frozen, the nice thing is that Apple has a user guide on exactly the steps to force restart your iPhone. And the nice thing about this is you do not need the touch screen at all if it's frozen. So let's scroll down, and it says to force restart your iPhone, you're going to press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and then you're going to press and hold that side power button. You're going to do that, hold it until you see the Apple logo pop up on your iPhone. So basically what this will do is it'll force shut it down and then force start it back up. And by doing so, it'll quit out of any process that's causing it to be frozen or stuck or in an endless loop if it just keeps doing the same thing over and over again. Keep in mind, that's for newer phones. If you scroll up, you can see select version of iOS. You can tap on that. Say you have an older phone that only has iOS 15. We can always go to that and scroll down, and it gives you a few different options for like iPhone X, the iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPhone 6, any of these different ones, older generation iPhones, it walks you through the exact steps to force restart it. For example, on iPhone 6s or iPhone SE, you can press and hold the sleep or wake button, the side button, and the home button at the same time, and that will basically force shut it down and then restart it. But most of the newer phones, again, is volume up, volume down, and then tap and hold that power button until you see the Apple logo that has force restarted, and it will fix any kind of frozen screen on your iPhone. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.